In light of recent events in the crypto world, we at Rex felt it was very important to remind everyone that Rex is a decentralized finance protocol, secured and audited, and neither corruptible nor prone to human error. As we have seen in recent events, centralized exchanges are at risk of severe mismanagement, which can lead to insolvency, at great cost to their clients, innocent people, and organizations that trusted their services with their personal wealth. The Rex smart contract and ecosystem is 100% decentralized. The code has been published, has been triple audited, and is immutable. It is impossible for abrupt circumstantial events to affect the operations of Rex, which means this truly is a safe harbor for your investments. Most importantly, Rex, when used as it has been designed, rewards you massively for adopting a long-term perspective of the crypto markets. The market operates in cycles. Generational wealth is not built through extremely risky activities like trading, which is more aligned with short-term thinking. Wealth is built over the long term. Zoom out and observe the crypto market timeline for the last 10 years. It goes in waves, but every time it goes higher. Stretching out your investment timeline to years or decades is the kind of thinking that brings success. In Rex, longer pays better. You will receive more shares, and thus more APY rewards, the further in the future you set your stakes. A way to generate passive income with Rex is to build what is called a staking ladder. This means that for time periods that you define, a stake will open and you can decide to restake some or all of your principal, continuing your staking ladder further into the future, and to sell the rewards as a passive income source. This kind of thinking is incredibly important for people to understand. Bonds and certificates of deposits are financial products that the traditional financial industry has used forever. And with Rex, those products are now available for anyone to use, in a far more flexible, inclusive, and permissionless manner. Here is a word from Thomas, the creator of Rex, on what that means.
Rex is permissionless and inclusive by design. That is, given the technology of the blockchain, the Binance Smart Chain, being open for everybody, so that if you just get a mobile phone or a computer and have an internet connection, you can just use it at will. There is no blacklisting in the smart contracts, there is nothing. You can just use it like anybody else. The contracts have equal rights to every user. No special admin rights, so it's just open to everybody. And there are no further permissions you need. There is no check for KYC or anything in the contract. Everybody is free to use that. That means permissionless and inclusive by design.
If you are interested in investing in Rex, we invite you to do your own research. Read the Rex white paper at rex.io/paper, read the audit reports, watch the YouTube videos, and ask questions in our community chat on Telegram. It has always been repeated that the bear market is when fortunes are made. This is of course NFA, not financial advice. We urge you to invest responsibly, never overinvest, and do not take risks with your money. If you consider Rex an interesting protocol and global community movement that you would like to be a part of, please visit rex.io.